Good morning, students. How are you all? I hope you're keeping fine and doing well by the grace of God. Dear students, today we are going to learn the most important one, that is grammar. Grammar is very important. Lesson number 2, the art of packing grammar phrases. Phrases. Today we are going to learn the phrases. What is phrase? A phrase is a group of words which adds meaning to a sentence. So there are types of phrases: noun phrase, prepositional phrase, adjective phrases, adverbial phrases. So these phrases are very important. It adds meaning to a sentence. A group of words which adds meaning to a sentence. There are 4 types of phrases: noun phrase, prepositional phrase, adjective phrase, adverbial phrases. Here, coin a phrase for each of the following words. You have come across the phrase breathtaking view. This means that the view is so beautiful that you forgot to breathe. Here the picture have given their rainbow. The children were looking at the tree and the rainbow. They are surprised, amazed. They are not able to take the breath. So how to form this one? Example, a view that takes your breath away. A breathtaking view. A sight that makes your heart break. A breathtaking sight. An innings that breaks a record, a breathtaking innings. A smile that catches one's eye, a breathtaking smile. A medicine that induces sleep, a breathtaking medicine. A story that sends shivers down the spine, a breathtaking story. So when you saw the rainbow, you forgot everything. You are not able to take a breath because you are so much involved in to see the rainbow. Specifying things using adjectival phrases. An adjective phrase tells you more about the noun. Example, the boy is my brother. The boy in the red shirt is my brother. The second sentence is more specific. The red shirt is the adjective phrases. Join the 2 parts to make sentences using adjectival phrases. A starter has been provided. My uncle under the tree. The man under the tree is my uncle. My blue pen in my bag. The blue pen in my bag is mine. The book on the table. The book on the table is my book. My dog in the kennel. The dog names in the kennel is my dog. My mother in salver comes. The lady in a salver comes is my mother. My car in the garage. The car in the garage is my car. Adverbial phrases. An adverbial phrases tells you more about the verb. Some adverbial phrases express time. I have a test. When? I have a test next week. Like that we form the sentences. Answer the following questions with adverbial phrases using the words in the brackets along with next, this and last to make an adverbial phrase. A. When is your father expected back from his tours? My father is expected back from his tours next week. When did the thief break in? Night. The thief broke in the last night. When should you submit the record? You should submit the record next Friday. From when do I start work? Moment. You should start work this moment. When will you join the new school? I will join the new school next term. Make 6 sentences to each and to express action in the past, present and future. Use the following phrases to help you. They have given here yesterday, last month, today, now, tomorrow, next month. Question number 5. Number the following sentences in the correct order. Then add the connectors from the box to make a paragraph. They have given here. Choose and fill the answer. Steps in your waste management. So you have to make correct, keep the numbers and make a beautiful story. Make sure that the maid takes the garbage out yesterday in the containers. First one is keep aside separate dustbins for garbage generated in your house. Next one, ensure that the garbage remains so separated till it leaves your house. Number 3, tell all members of your family that they will need to drop garbage in separate bins. Fourth one, make sure that the maid takes the garbage out separately in the containers. Fifth one, ensure that the garbage is handed over to the garbage collector and not to dump on the road carelessly. Here are a few situations. Rewrite the sentences using the phrases given in the brackets. Animals forget and me. I am afraid of animals. You have learned to swim very well. You have learned to swim very well and I am happy about it. Ramesh's uncle met with an accident and passed away. We felt sorry for him and his family. He broke the glass because of your carelessness. I am angry with you for breaking the glass because of your carelessness. You have a bad cough. I am worried about you having a bad cough. You have done well, but can do better. I am satisfied with what you have done, but you can do better. I am extremely happy with my new dress. I am thrilled with my new dress. So let's listen. Listening skill. Page number 25. Listening. Question number 1. Listen to your teacher and read the passage aloud. Pay attention to the underlined words. Two words can sound the same, but when spelled differently, their meanings change. Rewrite the underlined words correctly. Last summer at the zoo, we saw a dog. Berry means bury. Some bone under a tree. I took a picture of a grizzly bear with grey fur and short claws, hair, eating carrots, and a pair of monkeys with huge paws. I tried to take pictures of some birds, but they flew away. I wanted to send the pictures to my friend. I also decided to write about this to my friend. Listening to and identifying announcements. Your teacher will read out some announcements. Listen to them. Wait to hear them. Write the place against each. In the school, railway station, playground, airport, call center, we can see announcements. Speaking skill. Let's speak. Dialogue. Imagine a conversation with your father's friend who has dropped in at home. Your father is away at work. It is like a dialogue and conversation. Uncle Ravi, hello. Is your father there? You, no, he is not here. He is on the way from work. Uncle Ravi, when is he coming? You, he should reach on time. Uncle Ravi, shall I wait? You, please wait, but you should not feel boring. Uncle Ravi, That's all right, dear. You, can I get you something while you wait? Uncle Ravi, I don't want anything. You, it's hardly any trouble. So, writing skill. Dear students, let's write matching the descriptions with the topics. Match the descriptions with the topics given in the box. Explain a sentence what it means. So, they have given there, but you have to do it that one. So, making the sentences that one. Changing newspaper headlines to complete sentences. Katrina races through the New Orleans, hundreds dead. Hurricane Katrina struck New Orleans and died hundreds people. Saina moves up in ranking. Sania Mirza moved up in tennis ranking. Prisoners exchange. Indo-Pak relations improve. Prisoners improved their ties between Indo and Pak. Dhoni's superb batting leads India to victory. MS Dhoni played cricket batting led India to victory. Tsunami relief does not reach the affected fishermen protest. Those who were affected with tsunami did not get any aid, means any help from the government. Changing newspaper headlines to complete the sentences. Go through newspaper and choose any 3 headlines. Write them in the form of complete sentences and read them out of the class. So dear students, nearly in the newspaper you have to take the headlines of the newspaper and we have to write it. Suggesting dialogues. Go into group of 5. Rewrite the story as a play that you can enact. Use a narrator and create well-defined roles for 3 friends. Rewrite the lines in reported speech as dialogues. Read the sample. George, let's start packing. I suggest you leave it to me since I have great experience in packing. George was telling, I have great experience in packing. I can do well. Narrator, Jerome. George put on a pipe and spread himself over the easy chair and Alice hooked his legs on the table at lit finger. This was not what Jerome expected. George, come on guys, this is not what I meant. Having a lot of experience in packing, I meant that I would efficiently direct you in the job. You can't just sit around while I do on the work.